Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do a Disney impressions video, all princess singing impressions. Hopefully you enjoy it and hopefully I don't completely butcher it. So let's get right into it. It's Coronation Day! The window is open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. You think you own whatever land you land on, that the earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be I'm not meant to play this part? There's something sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and unrefined. And I'm almost there, I'm almost there. People down here think I'm crazy, but I don't care. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. With a smile and a song, life is just like a bright sunny day. Your cares fade away and your heart is young. Now you wash the dishes, you tidy up the room, you clean the fireplace, and I'll use the broom. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks again for stopping by my channel. Hope you enjoyed those Disney princess singing impressions. And hopefully I will come out with a video next Monday. Alright. Thank you.